Imagine you are a scientist with a magical toolbox. Instead of holding just one type of tool, your box is filled with many different, colorful instruments. Some are for measuring, some are for drawing, others can cool things down, and some can help you look at things closely. Each tool comes from a different branch of science, but what happens when you use them together? That's where the adventure of interdisciplinary learning in science begins. Interdisciplinary learning means mixing ideas, methods, and knowledge from different areas of science. It is like making a smoothie from fruits and vegetables, each adding a new flavor and color. When scientists combine physics, chemistry, biology, earth science, and even technology or math, they can solve bigger mysteries and invent amazing things. Let's step into the shoes of a real-life explorer. Imagine you want to learn why frogs are disappearing from certain ponds. You need biology to study the frogs and their food, chemistry to test the water for pollution, and earth science to look at changes in the land. By mixing these tools, you get a clearer picture of what's happening, and you might find clues that you couldn't see if you just used one skill. Some of the world's greatest breakthroughs happen this way. When doctors and engineers worked together, they made amazing machines like MRI scanners, which let us see the inside of the body without surgery. By combining biology with technology, we get inventions like robotic arms for people who lost their own. It is not only about solving serious problems. Interdisciplinary learning can be fun and creative, too. For example, mixing math and music can help us create new tunes, while joining art and engineering designs clever bridges or beautiful buildings. But why is this way of learning so powerful? Imagine trying to finish a giant puzzle with only one piece. You wouldn't get very far. Every branch of science is like a different puzzle piece. Interdisciplinary learning helps scientists put the pieces together to see the full picture. Even in school, you practice this way of thinking. When you grow a bean plant for science and write about it in language class, you're linking ideas. When you graph the plant's height, you use math too. Each new subject you learn is another tool for your magic box. In the future, you can become a science explorer. Whether you want to save animals, protect the planet, build clever machines, or create amazing art, you can mix and match skills from anywhere. Interdisciplinary learning gives you the power to imagine new solutions and see more of our wonderful world in all its connections. So, next time you're curious about something, don't just use one tool. Open your science toolbox, pull out everything you've got, and get ready for discoveries that reach across the stars.